Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Autolock Airbrush is probably one of the most versatile and user-friendly tools for both beginners and seasoned professionals looking to achieve flawless finishes in their painting projects, from intricate model detailing to large-scale automotive applications, offering unparalleled precision and control that can elevate your artistic endeavors to a whole new level. Number 5. Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2 Airbrush Kit. Discover the Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2, a complete airbrushing system designed for professionals and hobbyists alike. This kit provides everything you need to bring your artistic visions to life. Experience superior performance with its powerful yet quiet compressor. Featuring dual cooling fans, it's built for longer, continuous use without overheating, ensuring reliability for your projects. This kit includes 3 versatile airbrushes to suit any task. From fine detail work to broader coverage, you have the right tool for every application. Perfect for hobbies, crafts, temporary tattoos, cake decorating, and fine art. These airbrushes work exceptionally well with most paints and media, offering endless creative possibilities. Get started right away with included accessories like cleaning brushes, a holder, and a helpful guide. It's a comprehensive package designed for ease of use and professional results. Purchase with confidence from a brand committed to your satisfaction. We ensure a hassle-free experience, so you can focus on your art. What we like. This kit offers a fantastic variety of airbrushes for different needs. The dual cooling fans ensure it can run longer without overheating. If you're looking for a versatile setup with multiple options for various projects, this is a great choice. What people say. The Autolock Airbrush features a unique autolock mechanism that prevents accidental trigger activation, ensuring a clean and controlled spray every time. Its ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use, making it ideal for detailed artwork and professional applications. The airbrush comes with a set of interchangeable nozzles and needles, allowing for versatile spray patterns ranging from fine lines to broader coverage, catering to various artistic needs. Number 4. Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2 Dual Fan System. Introducing the Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2, a professional multi-purpose airbrushing system designed for ultimate creative control. It's perfect for a wide range of applications, from hobbies to fine art. This system features a superior performance 1.5 horsepower compressor with dual cooling fans. This allows for longer continuous operation without overheating, ensuring reliable performance every time you use it. It comes with 3 of our best-selling airbrushes, 2 dual-action gravity feed models with different tip sizes for precision work, and a single-action siphon feed model for broader coverage. Whether you're into hobbies, crafts, auto graphics, temporary tattoos, or cake decorating, these airbrushes are perfect. They work excellently with most airbrushing applications and paint media. This comprehensive kit includes an airbrush holder and a quick start guide with access to our resource center. You can buy with confidence, knowing you're backed by a brand dedicated to your satisfaction. What we like. With its dual cooling fans, this system is built for extended use. It provides a longer continuous running time, making it ideal for longer projects. If you often find yourself working on detailed pieces that require patience, this airbrush system will keep up with you. What people say. The compressor had a few scratches but worked like a charm. About as loud as an AC unit. Easy to drown out and forget it's on. The pressure adjust dial has a lock on this setting feature that is easily missed and quite tough to disable. Once disabled, it's easy to adjust the pressure, and I'd really recommend studying the machine, as I've noticed a lot of other reviews claim it came broken, but I think they just didn't notice the dial lock. Also has a water trap built in. The G22 and G25 airbrushes that came with this kit surprised me. The quality and heft feel good in my hand. I disassembled it gently, cleaned it throughout, oiled every fit and joint, oiled the needle, reassembled it and ran cleaner through the cup to clear it of excess oil, and then ran water to ready it for paint. Worked flawlessly, no squeaks or scraping parts. Ran primer through it as well, no issues. Primes like a dream. It's an excellent starting point for a beginner. The air compressor is nice and quiet, and compact enough for travel. We'll be using it mainly for costume makeup, and it suits our purpose quite nicely. It comes with 3 airbrushes, 2 of which we've tried out and had some success with. One airbrush was just plug and play, plugged it in and started practicing. The second one took some adjustment to get it to spray any color. Number 3. Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2 Dual Fan Airbrushing System Kit. Discover the Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2, a comprehensive kit designed for all your artistic needs. It includes everything you need to get started with professional quality airbrushing. Experience superior performance with its powerful 1.5 horsepower compressor. Equipped with dual cooling fans, it ensures longer, continuous operation without overheating, providing you with a dependable tool. This kit features 3 versatile airbrushes, a gravity feed model for fine details, and 2 siphon feed models for broader applications. They are user-friendly and suitable for a wide range of projects. Perfect for hobbies, crafts, temporary tattoos, cake decorating, and fine art. These airbrushes work excellently with most paints and media, making them incredibly versatile. Included are essential accessories like an airbrush holder and a quick start guide. You'll have all the support you need to master your airbrushing skills. Invest in quality with a trusted brand. We are dedicated to your satisfaction, ensuring a hassle-free experience from purchase to use. What we like. This option stands out with its precision siphon feed airbrush, offering more control for detailed work. The dual cooling fans ensure consistent performance. If you're a hobbyist or artist who values precision and the ability to tackle intricate designs, this kit is designed for you. What people say. The compressor is rather quiet. It auto shuts off when not in use. I have never had a problem with it overheating or getting anything hotter than warm to the touch. A water trap is crucial for any small-scale model painter because water destroys paint jobs. The set comes with one, so no worry here. The regulator works great and shows little discrepancy between the psi you set it at and the psi that is maintained when airbrushing, up into the 30s. The airbrushes that come with this set are nice. The G22 is a gravity feed dual action with a .30 mm needle, the S68 is a siphon feed with dual action and .35 mm needle, and the E91 is a single action external mixed with a .80 mm needle. Number 2. Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2 Dual Fan Airbrush Compressor Kit. Experience consistent air pressure with our advanced compressor. Its integrated tank ensures zero pulsation, providing a smooth and uninterrupted flow for your projects. Work longer with dual cooling fans that prevent overheating. Take full control with the built-in pressure regulator, gauge, and moisture filter for optimal air quality. Achieve incredible detail with the included dual-action gravity feed airbrush. Its 0.3 mm tip allows for fine lines and broader strokes, perfect for any application. This comprehensive kit includes a durable air hose, a convenient dual airbrush holder, and helpful guides to kickstart your creative journey. From intricate models and crafts to stunning body art and cake designs, this versatile tool is compatible with most paints and media, empowering your artistic vision. What we like. The standout feature here is the 3-liter air storage tank, which provides constant air pressure and zero pulsation. This means a smoother, more consistent spray every time. If you're a professional or serious hobbyist who demands a stable and reliable air supply for flawless finishes, this compressor is a game-changer. What people say. Just beautiful, runs quiet, and is IMO flawless in simplicity and reliability. Quiet. Well put together. Easy adjust for psi. The compressor tank combo. Oil-free operation. Ready to run out of the box. Quiet. Well put together. Easy adjust for psi. Number 1. Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2 Airbrush Kit. Introducing the Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2, a professional multi-purpose airbrushing system designed for all your creative needs. It's perfect for crafts, automotive detailing, tattoos, and model painting. This kit features a superior performance 1.5 horsepower compressor with dual cooling fans. It's built for longer, continuous running times without overheating, ensuring reliable operation. You get 3 of our best-selling airbrushes, a dual-action G22, a dual-action G25, and a single-action E91. This variety allows for precise control and diverse applications. Dive into a world of color with the included 6-color acrylic paint set. These water-based paints are perfect for achieving vibrant and smooth finishes on any project. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to get started, from airbrushes and paints to hoses, brushes, and a helpful learning guide. It's an all-in-one solution for aspiring and professional artists alike. We stand behind our products. Purchase with confidence knowing you're backed by a trusted brand dedicated to your complete satisfaction. What we like. This kit is perfect for those who want to get started right away, as it includes a 6-color acrylic paint set. Combined with the multiple airbrushes and dual cooling fans for extended use, it's a complete package. If you're a beginner looking for an all-in-one solution to jump into airbrushing crafts, auto detailing, or model painting, this is an excellent starting point. What people say. The pressure seems consistent and works well for my needs. I didn't have any issues while painting, and it felt easy to manage. Everything connected easily right out of the box. The hoses and components fit well together with no leaks or complications. The airflow is smooth and consistent, allowing for clean and controlled application while painting. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.